that heavy without the chunky, huh?
I can pick this up too.
Yeah. If it had the gears in, still nah. Yeah, nah, okay. I just wonder how much weight them gears add. Shit. Okay. Yeah, it ain't.
Gears another damn. It's right there in that black box. Pick it up.
Nah. Damn sure ain't picking it up by them straps, that's for sure. So that's a 4.9, right? Alright. You already got the QA ones up under here. On them FU spokes. This what's going on. I don't know. Gotta cut them things off. Back in the dump.
Trick me, didn't want to open up the right way.
Clean. Red shot that box.
Bye bye. Don't need you.
We've had it for about 2 years though. It just we just put a retail spot in there though. Look at that thing. Man, this camera making this paint look wet. Man, it is a nice paint job. .40 spokes on that thing. Maybe had the 6s on there. Roll on the way. Waiting on them brakes.
I did a vintage AC. I did a Holley. Then shorten the rear end, suspension, and brakes. You have to see some more stuff in it.
Yeah, for sure. The dash too, you see it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's it.
See the goodies.
Some new shit? Oh yeah, they're real. Man, that's that final. That OG. New OG one.
Better than that.
Yeah, I see that. I was like, okay, is that the, oh yeah, that's the super old digital. That blue stitching in that brown. Hidden. Guess getting that AC ran. Chris running the AC in this right now?
We did AC.
Oh, he running the hoses back.
But the dude ain't got no fucking dash pad, so it's like.
Oh, so it's gonna be. What he must he left it or something? I know he had to get it done.
We ain't got dash pad since it's been here.
Right.
I don't know where he had it at or what.
He bent over. Did y'all have to do it? Okay, put Holley on. Hey, that's front pussy. So he ready to go.
Got the RTX dash. He's gonna pick it up Monday.
He said, I've been waiting. I've been watching your YouTube waiting. I'm like, I goddamn don't do it till you done, my boy. The big blue barriers. We got side view mirrors up here.
Yeah, got the mirrors. What the headlights? Put the headlights on? Huh? I don't think they came on. Oh, you didn't run the headlights on. Oh.
And he had came with the motor, that motor in it already, right? And you said y'all just did the Holley on that?
That was suspension too. Full suspension, rear end, brakes, AC, vinegar, the dash.
Yeah, this gonna be hard as hell though.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice car, son.
Yeah, this front is just, I'm loving this front. All right, man. Bro, then I'm pulled up to get the donk. Man, I love this blue. Y'all already know. Blue. Yeah. Going to the next spot. This man's real though. Shane is a pro at the trailer with it. yeah. Make sure you cut them big motherfucker out. I'm fucking with you. I said, make sure you go cut them big. Damn, for real, for a minute.
You know, ups and downs.
Yeah, I shit. All right, on to the next.